Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $33.760. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, we have seen it is trying to go a narrow pattern, as you can see looking at this particular chart, and chances are very high that if the price this time move above a level of 3400, probability of going further upside we can see. But if the price started falling below a level of $30, there is a probability that it can go further down and this trend can break towards downside, so further downfall can be seen. Okay, so if you look at this trend, there is a probability that these two levels are very important, and on the week wise chart you can say for this particular week we have seen the prices continuously downside. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the gold price can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, a level of 33.26 is already weak support, so we can see the price can move further fall if the price will fall below this level, and a level of around 33.96 is also a level which is already weak, so we can see the price can rise above this level. Okay, see, the price of dollar index depends on a lot of factors, and dollar index and gold are inversely related to each other. So when the dollar index rises, Visa gold price comes down and vice versa. Let's see how the dollar index is moving. Dollar index now trading at a level of $97.890. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, a clear U pattern is forming. Okay, and this is the zone where the price was moved for so long. So okay, and a level of around 99.3, you have to understand this is a strong resistance, so we can see a bounce back from this level. Okay, so suppose if the price started falling below this level, it can move towards 97.5, and if the price fall below that particular level, chance of touching 96.9 we can see. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall can be seen towards 96.3. Okay, and then a further downfall can be seen. But if the price sustain above this level, a probability of going towards 99 we can see, and from there a further upside towards $100.4, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards $101.9, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see a further upside. Okay, trend towards downside is on a higher side. Now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at the gold price, what we can see, the price now trading at a level of $33.43. Suppose if the price started falling below this level, probability is high it can move below a level of 33.30, which is already weak, so the price can move further low, and yes, after that we can see it can go further down towards 33.26, and this level we can see a bounce back. But if that didn't bounce, we can see it can go further low, and yes, after that the next support coming at a level of around 33.09. Okay, this is a support third, so if the price started falling below 33.09, a further downfall can be seen towards next level of $33.02, and if the price falling below 33.02, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around, after 33 we can see a level of 32.85. remember that after this particular level we can see a level of 32.85, and if the price fall below that level, a further downfall can be seen. Its next level, which is already weak, a level of around after 32.85, a further downfall can be seen towards the level, we can see a level of around after 32.85, a level of around 32.69. Okay, 32.69 is also being a weak support, so we can see the price can move further down. Okay, and then a further downfall can be seen towards a level of 32.56. Okay, and then there is a probability that after 32.56 we can see the price can go further low towards $32.43, which is already weak, so we can see the price move further low. This is the zone where the price can go further down. Okay, but suppose if it started sustaining this level, it can go further upside towards next level, that is at a level of $33.56, and if the price moving off that particular level, chance of touching 33.61 we can see. Okay, and if that sustain, we can see the price can rise above a level of $33.77. Okay, and if the price moving over 33.70 be seen towards $33.98, and if that sustain, a further high can be seen towards a level of $34.08. Okay, and if the price moving above $34.08, a further upside can be seen towards 34.37. These are the resistance and support. I'm telling you, from there a bounce back we can see. Okay, or if it started going upside or downside, we see the next resistance or support. So if it started sustaining over 34.08, a further upside can be seen towards 34.37, and then to a level of 34.45, and then to a level of $34.50. And once the price sustain above 34.50, we can see it can touch its sustain above this level. It can touch a level of $35.03, which is an all-time high. Okay, best you can do, you can trail your SL by $10, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Similarly, if the price started falling below a level of around 32.69, you can trail your SL by $10, so you can capture a big movement towards downside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description.